Good morning, my dear students. So in this video tutorial, I will teach you how I made this infographic slide in PowerPoint. So ito ay para sa mga grupo na gumagawa noong ICT project number 3. So pagkatapos mag-kolekta ng data through survey, so syempre magkakaroon ng analysis ng data and then finally the presentation of data. So gagawa ninyo ng infographics yung inyong data na na-collect through online survey. So the best way to present your data will be by creating an infographic. So when we say infographic, you are making the data visual. You are creatively presenting it in a visually appealing manner rather. So dito, gumamit ako ng PowerPoint, but it doesn't mean that you are required to use PowerPoint. So if you know how to use other applications or software, like for example, Canva or anything else, kung alin yung convenient sa inyo, yun ang inyong gamitin. Okay, I'm just showing you the process of my own process of doing this infographic. So let's start. Ito yung aking nabuo. So let me take you step by step from start to finish. So let me open my PowerPoint. So first, I have here a blank slide. So gusto ko siyang gawing color green, di ba? So I will go to the Design tab and then here at the right, the Format Background. So dito sa color, pipiliin ko lang yung green kasi ito yung gusto kong kulay ng aking background. Afterwards, gusto ko mag-work on my icons. So icons are very important where you're making infographics. So dahil tungkol sa, let me just go back, tungkol sa question na ito, ang aking gagawa ng infographics. Noong nakaraang 2 linggo daw, ano daw yung usual playing time ng mga respondents. So, ilang percent ang nagalaro noong 8 a.m. to 12 p.m., ilang percent doon sa 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. and so on. So, dahil we are talking about time, I thought na mag-search ng hourglass. So, hindi ko lang makita yung aking original icon na ginamit, pero let me show you how you can download here in flat icon. So, you should sign in first no, para madami kang ma-download na icons. Where's that? Okay. Let me just refresh. So, there you go. So, if you want to download this, click ko lang yung PNG. So, tandaan ko yung kung sino yung creator noong icon kasi kailangan ko siyang i-credit later. So, Hourglass by Free Pick. So, free download. And then, ayan, nandun na yan sa downloads mo. Okay. So, but of course, hindi ko makita yung aking original ginamit ng Hourglass. Let me just put this here. So, copy and then paste. So, this is my hourglass. Right now, hindi ko naman kailangan yung $sign sa gitna, no? Kasi I'm talking about time. I thought na pwede siyang lagyan ng cover para doon ko ipapakita yung percentage in such a way na ma-highlight din yung percentage data kasi nasa gitna siya ng hourglass. So, I went to Insert and then Shapes and then I chose this oval. Okay, let me just zoom in. So, medyo isasakto ko siya doon. So, nag-appear ang aking drawing tools. Yan, automatically that will appear if I use a shape. Shape outline, no outline, para wala siyang outline doon. And then, gamit ko yung eyedropper para mapili ko yung color na to. Ayun. Okay? So, that's my first hourglass. Let me zoom out. So, I need 6 hourglass, di ba? Medyo parang malaki yung aking hourglass na to. So, highlight ko muna silang dalawa parehas and then right-click, group. Ayan. Para isang grupo na lang siya. Hindi na siya hourglass and then yung circle, di ba, na pinatong natin. So, let's minimize it. Let's reduce the size. Yan, it's important to zoom out para makita mo yung, yung overall layout. Avoid overcrowding your slide. Let's copy and paste. Let's duplicate or Control V, Control C, Control V. Another one. Para tatlo sa taas, di ba? Yung kanina. Tatlo sa taas, tatlo sa ilalim. Okay. There you go. Okay. So, dito ilalagay ko yung, I think, kailangan ko palagyan ng spaces. Masyado silang dikit-dikit. Okay. So, sa gitna natin lalagay yung percentages, di ba? So, insert text box para makapaglagay ako ng text. Oopsie, I don't want that. There you go. So, first hourglass for the time 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. So, according to the data, 2% of the respondents yung naglalaro usually during the past 2 weeks ng ganong oras. Sorry. So, 2%. Let's change this to white kasi mas magiging visible siya doon. So, orange. Let's have it in bold. Let's try to increase. Okay, let's say Arial. Okay, that's better. Masyado na siyang malaki. Center. And then, ayusin ng konti. Okay, I think that will be okay. Pero parang malaki pa din. Okay. Let's copy this and then put it in the second one. 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. is 10%. Okay, hindi na din naman masyadong masama. Ang size, 10%. And then 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. is 20%. Let's close this. 20%. There you go. Lagyan din natin ng text box sa ilalim. I think I need to, ayun, mas better. Decrease the size. Ayan. And then, let's put the label, the time, diba? This is 8 a.m. To 12 p.m. Sige, resize natin siya. Is this okay? A little bit too large. Ayan. Sige, paste natin para makopy yung formatting. Copy and paste or duplicate. Okay, palitan natin ng label, of course. So this is 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. And then 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. Okay. So let's highlight all of them and then group mo ulit. The importance of that is, tingnan mo, hindi siya naghihiwa-hiwalay kapag gusto ko siyang galawin or ilipat ng pwesto. Pwede mo namang i-ungroup later on if you want to. So let us copy and paste this. Ayan. Let's zoom out. Okay. Ayun. Madali ko din makopya kapag nakagroup sila. Okay. Okay. So, ayan. nilagay ko na yung data for 8 p.m. to 12 a.m., 12 a.m. to 4 a.m., and 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. So if we'll go back to the original slide, so kailangan ko ng icon for a gamer icon para, and then I need to put a text box para aking maipakita yung question, original question doon sa Google Form. So, ayun, ito ay kinuha din sa flaticon.com. So, player, let me copy this. I downloaded it in advance and then paste it in our infographic presentation. Okay. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya sa gilid. And then, let's insert another text box for the question. So, during the last 2 weeks, what was the usual time or usual playing time of the respondents? During the last 2 weeks. Okay. Maging uniform na lang tayo sa font, no? Mas better if you have lesser font than more. Okay, let's turn this white. Okay, I think parang mas napalaki ata yung ating ano, no? Ayan. Hindi masyadong maganda tingnan kapag overcrowded na siya. Respondents. Okay. And then I think I put some lines here. Insert shapes and then lines. Straight line here. And let's make this white para mas maging visible siya. White. Ayun. And then another line coming from the gamer. Parang siya yung nagsasalita. White. Okay, let's just zoom in. Tingnan natin kung swak yung lines. Okay, mukha naman sila connected. And then finally, sa baba, please credit your source, no? Doon sa icons. So you will write icons, prefic. By prefic, pre-pick from flaticons.com. Pareha sila, no? By prefic. Paki-double check din kasi minsan iba yung gumawa nung isa. So icons, prefic from flaticons.com. Okay, so there you go. That's how I created the pictograph for the first question.